Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to create Amazon Music account. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser. And from here, you're gonna be able to see that this is your Amazon, official website, Amazon Music. And basically, just go ahead and create your account by adding your first name and last name, email address, and then create a password. And by creating a password, a powerful password, you will add another layer of protection, making it harder for hackers to actually hack your account. So basically, basically add a strong password to your account, and basically after you and afterwards, just go ahead and click create your Amazon account, and you're gonna confirm via your email address by receiving an email from Amazon to confirm that this is your email address, or via phone number by receiving a text message or a call from Amazon platform asking you or giving you the code to verify that this is your phone number. And basically you're going to be able to create your account. And another option is you can just log in with your account on Amazon, and basically they are identical, so basically you don't need to add or create another account if you don't have another account. If you do have another Amazon account, just go ahead and log in with your phone number and email and enter the Amazon password, and basically that's it. You're gonna have access to all Amazon platforms such as Amazon Prime Video and Amazon Music and Kindle. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.